B21 cab tour then. Back we've got the misters, reverse alarm, saloon heater, start and stop, main saloon lighting, master switch, destination, all the interior lights, saloon and front, rear fog light, side and tail, air wipers, handbrake, hydrocyclic gearbox, S position for start and reverses on the dog leg, cab light and warning light test, clamper light on off, hazard lights, typical Leyland stalk for indicators, main beam, horn, got air and volts over here, 3 tanks, oils never worked. One of these had fuel in it before, but was fitted from new and never did anything. At the top we've got some warning lights, alternator warning light, emergency door warning light, indicators, low levels, gearbox, overheat, oil, main beam, park brake, air low, rear fog, left indicators. At the end there we've got a little light telltale, so we've got the side lights on. Doors, got middle doors on this one, so open and close, got the new one fitted there, got the Wayfarer and hopper, got Robusto on this as well. 2 pedals on the floor, go and stop essentially, and the air dump valve for the doors. Bits and pieces, there we are, quick look around. 145. Voltron Transmatic sign in the side there.